Alright guys, I'm going to be making yet another fan unboxing. Today we have the Comfort Zone 6-inch turbo fan. I got this one from Boscov's because the one that I saw on display was actually pretty powerful. And I really like the clear, see-through stand and the blades, and I just figured, you know what, why not get it? It's a little fan. I was actually really impressed because I thought it would be one of the weaker fans, but nope, the turbo I would not say is a lie this time. So good stuff, blah blah blah, wall mountable. Yeah. So here is the box. Now there was a blue styrofoam piece right here covering the fan head. I decided to take that out just because I wanted to see how the fan looked like as in the color, because apparently the color on this one is different than the one that was on display. There was a blue one on display, this is actually a black one. I'll go ahead and unbox it out of the box. Maybe. Okay. So much styrofoam in this guy. Oh. Holy cow. Wow. They did not want you to, they didn't want this fan to be broken during shipping, I suppose. Well, that's good. So here's what it looks like, and it's actually kind of cute. I like this one. Does feel a little cheap, but I'm sure it's manageable. 2 speeds, fused cord, instruction manual. Just how to use it. Oh, that's the Spanish side. I think this is the English side. Maybe. I hope so. Ah. There we go. Just all the good stuff, you know. It's not really that complicated to use one of these, you know. It's got a little switch on the back. And one thing I absolutely love already about this fan, despite the fact that some of the parts are actually see-through, is it starts with low, then high. I really like it when fans started with low speed, so you're not just blasted with air, so I'm really happy with that. So, yeah. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. I'll start it off on low first. Okay, and here's high. And off. Yeah. Okay. I think it'll fit my needs as a fan. I think I'm going to use this one as my little bedside fan because I think it is actually really cute. So this is the Comfort Zone 6-inch turbo fan that I got from Boscov's. Thank you for watching.